I'm O'Brien of TFNN. We are 5 days a week. We go 7.5 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. And believe it or not, it is December 4th. Man, oh man. Always do your best. Take action on your ideas. I love this card. This is a great freaking card, folks. Doing your best means to take action on your ideas. You have many great ideas in your head, but without action upon that idea, there will be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Just do it, folks. Just like Nike says. That has to be one of the best sayings in the world. Just do it. You know what? If it doesn't work out, it doesn't work out. Then you do it again. Big deal. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials up 183, NASDAQ up 69, S&P's up 27, gold contract flat, $18.40 an ounce. Silver up 14 cents, $24.28 an ounce. Light sweet crude up 42 cents, $46.06 a barrel. Notes and bonds. The 10-year note down 9 ticks, 137.11. The 30-year off 1 full point plus 9 ticks at 171.19 in King Dollar. King Dollar's down 20 ticks, trading 90.695. The euro is at 121. The yen is at 104.11, and the British pound's at 134 to 1 US dollar. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at it. What do you have? Okay, so we get higher highs. We get a contraction of volume, which we've had. SPY's up at $2.44. You're trading 369.15. Monster contraction on volume on the daily. We take a look at the weekly, and let's see what we have here. So weekly bottom line is that this week you're gonna do, let's say, 300 million, and you just took out 447 as well as 477. What's the number again? Okay. Let's say we do 300. Yeah, you get 25% like, 442. 300 to 442. You're talking about a third less volume. NDX 100. Same setup inside the NDX. 3 Qs out here. We are up at buck right now, 305.31. I think that is slightly less than yesterday. 305.88. Yeah, it is. Okay, so slightly less than yesterday. And yesterday we had a contraction of volume. We had 22 million, and the 22 is going into 27 as well as 50. Today you got 14, so we'll still do probably 19. That's on your daily. On your weekly, watch this contraction. This contraction's insane. You're going into 357 million, and you have done 116. That's pretty intense. If we look at the NQs, what I expect you're going to see out here today, now this is going to be pretty cool. I don't see anything heavy on the way down, that's for sure. What I do see, though, what we had out here yesterday is that you had a fast acceleration down the last 4 or 5 minutes of the last 10 minutes, actually. And I can see this happening out here today, too, because the volume is so anemic at the highs. Bottom line is that when you have light volume at highs, that's distribution. And as I said about a week and a half ago, my take is that we're actually in a markdown period inside the NQs. And that's going to be pretty dicey, actually, because once a markdown period actually starts, you normally don't go back to the highs, which we did again. Now, we went back there as highs, and it doesn't have the volume. So it's in between a distribution. I would say that you have to go back to this as distribution, because if you're at highs of light volume, that is distribution. We'll see if the markdown comes in, but that's the way that's set up. Gold contract out here, what we have with gold. Bottom line, for Friday, good setup. We're flat market out here today. You had a low of 1832. We got a high of 1840. It's going to my take is going to try to get into 1889. And 1889, folks, is the initial downdraft that was out there after the highs of August. I suspect as we get up to that point, you have to build some cause in order to blow through that point. We take a look at the silver market, which is really encouraging. Silver is stronger than gold, has been for quite some time. Silver market up 14 cents today. Get 62,000 contracts traded, which is decent contract volume. And silver has been inside its higher range. So it might take silver is going to basically lug gold all the way up. Silver wants to go to $30. Right now you're trading $24.28. Now, notes and bonds. This is where this gets really cool, man. So the note and bond market, bottom line, got hit hard on November 9th. Does a bounce, getting hit hard on Tuesday. Today, however, bottom line, it looks like, 9.99 ticks is 9 ticks. This is a last engulfing, folks. What a last engulfing is this. It looks like a disaster. After you go down for a time, okay, and we've been going down inside the bond market, going all the way back to September 21st, you make a low. November 9th, we basically, it was the 11th they made the low, but November 9th was a vicious day. High, huge price spread, big volume, all of the above. On the 11th, we tested that low at light volume, rejected it. We go higher, you come right up to ice, boom, you get sliced and diced again. This is the type of move, however, that is testing the highs of the lows. Not quite a rejection. We really don't have a rejection just yet. But guess what? If we go higher on Monday, that's going to be the signal that, guess what? That notes and bonds, once again, are going to go to higher price, lower yield. We go take a look at the 30-year. The 30-year did get back inside its higher range, gave it up in spades, come down and did reject lower price out here today, and also has a last engulfing. So we'll see where this shakes out. We got to 0.97 of 1% today inside of the 10-year. Bottom line, I think we're going higher. And good old King Dollar. King Dollar's on its way down to 88, folks. Flat market out here today in King Dollar. We'll see where this shakes out. King Dollar got to 90.476. If we get over and we take a look at the euro, what you're going to see inside of the euro, that baby is at highs. The pound had a major move out here yesterday and today, and we are at 134 inside the pound. It got over the highs of August and basically back down. Stay right there, folks. Come right back.